Hey, what's up, everybody? Some of y'all may remember a couple of weeks ago, I hit the junkyard. I looked up and I found some lower dashes in perfect condition. Now, I went and installed one on the car, knowing that the wood didn't match. I thought I was just gonna let it ride, but it ended up bothering the shit out of me. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the plastic overlay on a 91 through 93 B-body lower dash. Let's do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully pry off this overlay from this dash and try to do it without breaking anything. And then I'm going to put the overlay from my old dash on top of that. So let's get to it. So what you're going to want to do is go in with something flat very, very carefully and just kind of pry off that wood overlay, that plastic overlay from the back piece of the dash. Guys, you got to be extremely careful with this. You don't want to manhandle it too bad because you do run the risk of cracking the dash. And you just really want to take your time with it. Don't rush. It's not a race. You'll finish when you finish. Trust me, you'll be glad you took your time and didn't break the dash on this. Once you've carefully pulled everything off, this is what your dash should look like. Mine's wet because I had cleaned it earlier. Now the plastic overlay is going to have these little guide pins. Those are supposed to go into holes on the dash itself. I find that it's easier to smooth those pins out on the overlay than it is to poke the holes in the dash because you run the risk of cracking the dash. So here it is all smoothed out. I put 3M molding tape in certain areas so that it can adhere to the dash. I've got both sides cleaned up, ready to go. And here it is with everything put back on there. The 3M tape is holding it up pretty good. It's not gonna go anywhere. I've got this little broken piece right there with that little piece of tape hanging off. I'm gonna cut that off to make it look a little cleaner. And here it is with the little piece of tape broken. You can tell it's broken, but once I zoom out and once it's on the car, nobody's gonna know except for us.
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
Just a quick comparison of the two dashes. As you can see, the one up top came from a sedan. It doesn't have that second square opening right there like this one, and that's for the gate on the wagon. And here it is in the car, ready to go, installed, looking good. Hope you guys found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay safe out there.